Hi, boys and girls. This week in math, we're going to be able to solve an equation by adding two numbers. And we're going to be using numbers from 0 to 100. We're going to be using the strategies that we learned all year long, and I'm going to teach you a new one. It's going to get you ready for second grade. The strategies I'm going to focus on are quick tens and ones, number bonds, and one new one, which is called the standard algorithm. All right, let's get started. The first strategy I'm going to show you is quick tens and ones by solving this equation, 46 plus 52. 46 has 4 tens and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 52 has 5 tens and 2 ones. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. So my answer is 98, which is 9 tens and 8 ones. Let's try another one. I'm also going to solve this equation using quick tens and ones, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a group of 10 with our ones. Because remember, 1 10 is the same thing as 10 ones. So I have 38, and I know that 38 is 3 tens and 8 ones. 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones. Now, if I'm looking at my ones, I notice that I have more than 10. 8 plus 3. Let's count up. 8, 9, 10, 11. But 11 is bigger than 10. So I have to group it. So I'm going to group 10. So I made another group of 10, and then we count up like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. So my answer is 61 because we were able to bundle another group of 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 tens, and 1 1, which gives us 61. The next way I'm going to show you is 54. So I'm going to put the number bond under 32. And 32, if we were to make a number bond, it would be 30 and 2. So I could add 54 plus 2. So 54, 55, 56, that equals 56. And then I'm going to add 56 to my 3 tens, which is 30. So 5 and 3 make 8. So my answer is 86. So that's one way to do it with a number bond. And I'm going to show you another way using a number bond that we also learned in school. By putting a number bond underneath both numbers and separating the number bond into two parts by their tens and ones. So 54 is 50 and 4. 32 is 30 and 2. So I'm going to add my tens first. So that is 50 plus 30, and that equals 80. And then I have 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, and that equals 6. But we're not done yet because we have to add the 10s and the 1s together. So 80 plus 6, let's see, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, and that gives me 86 also. So my answer is 86. So my first way of number bonding, I did under one number. And then the second time in number bonding, I put the number bond under both by adding the 10s, then the 1s, and then you add the 10s and the 1s together. This is another strategy you can do. And this is the new one that we haven't learned yet. This is called the standard algorithm. So usually when we're adding, we see that the equation looks something like this, the horizontal way, where this is the vertical way. And you have the 1s under the 1s and the 10s under the 10s. And I'm going to pretend there's a line here. So you're going to add your 1s together, and 3 plus 6 is 9. And then 7 plus 2, or technically 70 plus 20, will give you 9. And your answer is 99. So that's a different strategy. So you're adding 3 plus 6, which is 9, 7 plus 2, which is 9. And it gives you 99. Here's another one with the standard algorithm, only this time you have to carry over. So 3 plus 8. So I'm going to start with the greater number, which is 8, and I'm going to count up 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11, but I can't put 11 down here. You can't do that. Okay, you only put one number, and what you're going to do is you're going to write the 1s. So here's 11. The number and the 1s place down below, and you're going to technically carry over a 10. So then you have 1 plus 4 plus 1, and that will give me 6. And that's 61. Going back, here are the different strategies we reviewed and learned today. You learned using quick 10s and 1s. You learned using quick 10s and 1s and bundling another group of 10. We reviewed using a number bond, and then the new one, which is the standard algorithm. For your homework, you're going to solve these 6 problems. You are allowed to use any strategy that I taught you today, whether it's quick 10s and 1s, number bond, or the standard algorithm. You get to choose. It doesn't matter which strategy you use as long as you get the correct answer. If you have any questions, please ask one of your teachers. Send us a picture to show us your work, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.